Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another non-phone work from home job lead. I hope everyone had a fabulous weekend. I did post a very special video yesterday on Sunday that gives you 29 resources that you can use to find work from home jobs on your own. So if you have not seen that video, please go check it out. But with that being said, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. Today's job lead is from the company JustAnswer. Now, JustAnswer runs a website where you can ask questions and have experts answer them. They are hiring a category moderator. Now, the category moderator will be focusing on making sure the website runs smoothly by resolving invalid questions and escalating various other questions. You make sure that all questions from the customers are getting to the right experts so that they can get answered. And so you need to have a passion for learning and fulfillment of answers to people's questions. So you'll manage open question inventory, including closing duplicate questions, recategorizing or updating questions and ads as needed. You'll escalate customer and expert concerns about policy violations and establish reporting processes to the appropriate support services. You'll also assist customer service in reaching out to experts on behalf of the customer needing assistance. You'll handle sensitive personal data, and you'll be assigned projects to assist with as needed. Now, the requirements for this position are that you have 4 years experience providing either operational assistance, customer service, or some kind of administrative support or similar function in an online environment. You have strong communication skills, fluency in written and verbal English skills, great attention to detail, the ability to master and adapt quickly in changing environments, strong critical thinking skills, and you need to be dependable and flexible. Now, these are not required, but if you have previous experience in a customer support ticketing system such as Zendesk, that is a plus. And if you have previous experience on working knowledge in their categories such as legal, tax, cars, etc., that is a plus. Now, it does look like this job requires more than 40 hours a week, just a little bit. It says 9 hours login, 5 days a week, and that may be an hour lunch break plus 8 working hours a day. You'll have to ask them at the time of the interview. Now, while the specific job listing did not list the salary, they do have a Glassdoor page, and on the Glassdoor page, people who have previously worked for this company can give reviews of how it is to work with the company and can also give their salaries and job titles. There is one person who says that they've previously worked for JustAnswer as a category moderator, and it says that their total pay was $126,000. That was a base salary of like $99,000, and then it looks like they got an additional $26,000. I don't know if that's bonuses, commissions, how that works. So this can possibly be a very high paying job, and it does not require any college degree. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.